In my opinion, this book was originally written in Turkish and then it was translated into Persian, and from Persian it was translated into Urdu.
मेरे ख्याल में ये किताब जो है पहले तुर्की ज़बान में लिखी गई थी और उसके बाद इसको तर्जुमा किया गया फ़ारसी में और फ़ारसी से उर्दू में इसको जो है ट्रांसलेट किया.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial video I'm going to show you guys how to translate any video to any language using HeyGen AI. First of all, open this website. I will give you the link in video description below. From this link you can use 3 minutes of free video translation. Now I am going to log in with my Gmail. After a login, as you can see here is a lot of AI features and options, but I am interested in video translation. At the top of the page, as you can see here is a video translation option. Click on it. Now you have 2 options. First option is upload a video and second option is use video URL. Here you can paste any video link from YouTube or Google Drive, but I am going to upload my own file. After select your video file, click on create a new translation. Now you have a lot of options. First option is original language. What is your original video language? Select your video language. For example, I am going to select Hindi, and here you can select translation language. I am going to translate my video in English. Okay. In advanced option you can choose enhance voice, and now click on submit. After a few seconds your video will be ready, and enjoy. If you like our video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for our next video.